Hi, it's Ellen here from Sherwood Hyundai. We're about to do a walk around this 2015 2.0 turbo all-wheel drive sport Santa Fe. This vehicle is equipped with a projection style headlights, fog lights, and a block heater. The mirrors have signal light indicators as well as they fold in for your convenience. This SUV is also equipped with 4 cross-contact LX Sport tires. This car is equipped with 2 remotes. Let's have a look inside. This particular SUV is equipped with power windows, doors, and mirrors. The driver can use his left hand to make an easy seat adjustment. Off to the left of the steering wheel, you'll find your dimmer switch, your all-wheel drive, your traction, and of course this particular vehicle also has a heated steering wheel. We are equipped with a keyless start, so let's start this vehicle up. On the odometer you can see that the vehicle has 63,709 kilometers. Let's work our way back to the steering wheel here. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you will find all your Bluetooth capabilities. On the right-hand side is your cruise control, along with a button that will show you everything, all the different modes for this vehicle. You've got your comfort, your normal, your sport. On our entertainment system, we have a CD up at the top. It is equipped with your Series XM, and over to the side you'll see your clock. This particular vehicle also has a backup camera, as you can see. Below the entertainment system you'll find your climate control. It is equipped here with your rear defog, your front defog, and of course for your passengers' convenience also there's dual climate control settings. Below your climate control you will find 2 12-volt outlets along with your USB. As I said, automatic transmission. This particular car also has your heated seats along with parking assist. An armrest is right beside the driver, which has plenty of storage in it. Up above, you'll find that you're equipped with lights here, along with a glasses holder for your sunglasses. And of course, this particular vehicle has got a sunroof that you will find goes all the way back, but the front part will open. Your back seat passengers also have the convenience of heated seats. As I mentioned earlier, this is a completely beautiful leather interior. In the middle, there's a fold-down console that is equipped with 2 drinks holders. With a little quick flip, your seat will completely fold down. At the back end here, right beside your backup camera, which you can see, you just touch the little button below and your trunk will automatically open. Not only can you put down your seats right beside you in the back, you can use a little lever here to the side and it will automatically foot down nice and easily. Laying down, you can see that this is almost virtually flat, making it easy to pack a lot of stuff. At the back, you'll see 12-volt outlet. In the back, you'll find ample storage in this vehicle. As you can see, this particular area folds up way up. There's lots of storage in there. Also, in this particular compartment, you'll find your jack. The spare tire you will find conveniently located just below. This beautiful 2015 copper-colored Santa Fe can be found at Sherwood Park Hyundai. Come see us. Take it for a test sprint. Speak to our sales experts. This could be yours.